Hey everyone, I'm going to be reviewing a tool that has been a total game changer for me and my brand, Sacred Victory, the Zonglan Handheld Grommet press tool. If you're into custom clothing or DIY fashion like me, this is something you definitely need in your toolkit. It comes with 3 grommet sizes, 5.5mm, 8mm, and 10mm, so you can get started on your projects right away. I'll be demonstrating it with 5.5mm on materials like denim, upholstery fabric, thick leather trim, and t-shirt material. This tool is essential for my projects, especially for custom pieces like this vest I made for my shop. It's also really easy to switch out dyes so you can have a very fast workflow. First up, let's test this denim with the 5.5mm grommet. Denim is a staple for a lot of my designs, and this tool works perfectly for adding grommets to jackets, vests, and custom jeans. See how clean and strong that grommet is? It's exactly what I need for durable pieces like this. Next, I'm going to demonstrate the grommet on faux leather upholstery fabric. Though this material is thick, the grommet went through smoothly and fits perfectly, giving a polished, professional finish. Let's try this grommet on t-shirt material. I also create lighter pieces for Sacred Victory, so having a tool that can handle delicate fabrics is a big plus. The grommet goes through perfectly with t-shirt material and leaves no stretch marks, rips, or tears. Lastly, let's try this on double-layer thick leather trim. As you can see, the grommet goes in effortlessly, holding strong without any damage to the leather. This is key for high-quality custom items. If you want to take your projects to the next level, grab the Zonglan Handheld Grommet press tool. It's a total game changer for me, and I'm sure it will be for you too. Thanks for watching.